Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money online with no investment. That's right, you can start earning money right now without putting any money down. We'll be covering several methods, so be sure to watch until the end. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. If you have a skill, such as writing, graphic design, or coding, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You'll get paid for each project that you complete, and you can build your portfolio and reputation over time. Online surveys. Another way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for it. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, and other simple tasks. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products. You earn a commission for each sale that you refer, and you don't have to worry about creating or shipping products yourself. You can promote products through your website, social media, or other channels. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, such as writing blog posts, recording videos, or starting a podcast, you can make money from it. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and other methods. Virtual assistants. If you're organized and good at managing tasks, you can become a virtual assistant. You'll help businesses or individuals with tasks like scheduling appointments, managing social media, and handling customer service inquiries. Bonus tip. Remember, it's important to be cautious when looking for ways to make money online. There are many scams out there that promise quick riches but are actually schemes to take your money. Always do your research and be wary of any opportunities that seem too good to be true. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these methods and see which ones work best for you. With some hard work and determination, you can start earning money online in no time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.